Applying for Walmart jobs online in Canada is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can apply for Walmart jobs online in Canada. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm gonna search for Walmart jobs Canada. After searching that, you have to go to this website, which is career.walmart.ca. Now here you have to enter the keyword, what type of job you're looking. You need to enter your location. Suppose this is my location and I'm looking forward to work as a manager, so I'm just going to search for manager. And after searching that, you'll be able to see all these jobs that are available for the manager as well as the location. You just need to select the suitable one for yourself and you have to click on the job that you are looking for. And after that, you have to scroll down until you see this option. You just have to click on this apply, and you will be able to see this option. You just have to click on apply again. After that, you have to apply manually. You have to add your, you can apply with LinkedIn as well. You need to add your resume, all the things according to you, and your job application should be submitted. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.